All right, Scott McKenzie, once again, thank you very much for joining News and Brews. We are just having a great time here at MD&M West, and it is a collection of problem solvers all around, every hall. They are talking about innovation, collaboration. They want to solve everyday's problems. We have in the hot seat Mark. Got it right?
Got it.
All right. Give us a little background, Mark.
Well, my name is Mark Collins. I work for HUI. We're located in Kiel, Wisconsin. We've been coming out to this show for 20 years. I'm applications engineer. We are a contract manufacturer, kind of specializing in medical carts and medical chassis. So this is a really great show for us.
Explain for the listener what contract manufacturing means. Just say, I saw it on your website. I said, okay, talk to us about that.
Well, I mean, basically, we do the gamut, right? Like, we're kind of a sheet metal at heart house, but ultimately, you know, anybody can come to us with problems that they have. We offer a lot of engineering value add, but ultimately, we make medical chassis, we make medical parts, we have a robust supply chain, and so we're able to come to the show, solve problems for people, and do business.
And you've been coming to the show for how many years?
Oh, almost 20 years.
Why is this show important?
For me, you know, I get to hit both sides, right? So engineers come talk to us, we can solve problems for them, but I also have a lot of great vendors out here, right? So I come to the show and it's a working show for me, right? I showed up 30 minutes early yesterday because I'm trying to get some prints from some of my vendors. Super happy to see me, great.
But it's all here.
It's all here.
You just sort of use your feet and tootle on and find these. So what has stood out for you specifically in this show? Caught you off guard, didn't I?
It's a good question. You know, I would tell you that part of it is just the fact that we're coming from the Midwest, right? So we got some sunshine. People get to relax. I can tell you that me and my crew, we stay at a house and we just socialize a lot more, right? It's happiness, fun in the sun, right? It's just a really great break.
What do you see as you attend this show and then you wander the halls? Of course, you're looking at and you're finding your clients, right? But what stands out, meaning, like when you're looking at technology, you're looking at the innovation that exists out there today, what stands out?
What stands out? I guess, you know, it's a lot different than it used to be, but there's a lot more newer technologies, people doing a lot more advanced things than they used to do. You know, there's a lot of vendors that I actually work with in California that we don't work directly, but we kind of help each other out as far as technology, how to do things, what are some of the failures we've seen over the years. So it's very valuable.
How has the innovation and the technology that you've seen over the years, how has it impacted HUI?
Well, you know, HUI is kind of a special place. We've changed a lot over the years. I would tell you that we continue just to get better and better. We continue to add value add skills. In fact, we brought one of our integrators along with us. So we're doing a lot more surgical robots, you know, where we kind of, 20 years ago, it was more just chassis and carts, and now we're starting to do a lot more high-tech stuff.
You mentioned integrators. What does that mean? You're saying bringing an integrator in, what is that individual?
So ultimately, it's just like the next step of value that people need, right? Especially like international customers too. Like they would like carts and chassis are big, heavy items, so to ship them across the sea, it's kind of it's expensive. And so if we can add, you know, some calibration, electronics, things that normally you wouldn't see inside of a sheet metal house, it's just one more step closer to an end medical product.
So if I came to you from a use case perspective, I'm saying, hey, I've got this design, I've got this desire to be able to manufacture this particular part, right? And I come to you and I'm saying, hey, this is what I'm looking at. Is that sort of the beginning of the conversation I have with you?
It is. Oftentimes we talk regulatory, right? 60601 is a big topic for...
Regulatory?
Yes. So a lot of times people come to us and they have challenges, right? Like the standard changes over time, there's new rules. And so, you know, you get to talk to people, get different opinions on how they're solving problems. Yeah, so when they come to us, we start talking regulatory, what they might see, and make some changes.
I didn't see that. I didn't see that one coming, just because that's an interesting fact, because regulations are always coming in and impacting, right?
Absolutely.
So you would take me and say, I'd have this problem, and then you would help me sort of shepherd it on through and then come up with the solution.
Yeah, point out some gaps that you might encounter, things that, you know, are coming for you down the road, right? We try to identify it early. Yeah, and a lot of times these medical device manufacturers, they don't deal with a lot of carts, and so there's kind of like this missing piece where they're unaware of some things that are kind of problems.
So your buddy over there, where he is, he's over there. He's a buddy. He's your fan.
Yeah, he's a good guy.
Yeah, he's a good guy. Medical carts. HUI is not just in contract manufacturing. You do a lot in the medical field, right?
Yeah. We continue.
For example.
Well, we work with integrators, right? So we bring in products. We do a certain amount of assembly, especially like the hard or heavy items, right? And then we work with integrators who, you know, do some electronics, do a lot of calibration, do a lot of burn-in testing, and then of course we also work with regulatory houses, right? So that when they go to get their approval, right, we help out with that.
From HUI's perspective, where do you see it going? Put your future hat on. You're saying to yourself, yes, this is great, HUI. How long have you been with HUI?
Boy, almost 25 years.
What, you started, what, 13?
I'm an old man.
Jeez, give me a break. So where do you see what's happening in HUI, and what's that future look like?
I think that, you know, we're continuing to just improve our skills, right?
Yeah.
We continue to work more closely with regulatory houses.
Yeah.
And we do more advanced assemblies.
And I'm not going down the road because I know that that's another conversation, but I just want to at least plant the seed. Are you guys also dealing with a lot of the resources challenge at manufacturing, and how do you keep current with that?
We do. I mean, like everybody. But again, like having a supply chain that is well-versed, lots of different suppliers, I mean, we manage.
Do you manage?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. How long has the company been around?
Boy, we have been around for 94 years, I think.
Jeez, shut the front door. All right.
It's been
how does somebody get a hold of you?
Medicalcarts.org is probably the best way.
To slow that one down.
So HUI is medicalcarts.org. So that's our website. From there, you can see samples of what we do.
I didn't see that coming. So it's medicalcarts.org. You're an org?
Yeah, I don't know. You have to talk to my marketing guy.
Well, you are absolutely wonderful.
Oh, it's nice talking with you.
Reach out. His name is Mark. Reach out to him. We are broadcasting once again here at MD&M. We are News and Brews. Stay tuned. We're going to have another great conversation shortly, so look forward to it.